Alright, so folks, in this video we're going to be fixing, there's a little crack there in the windshield. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a little teeny tiny crack there. I bought a crack repair kit, but we're going to roll the intro and I'm going to start working on this. So we're cleaning up, I'm cleaning the window. I'm using McGuire's glass cleaner. So the first step was to scrape the window where the crack is, right there. Like so. I've already cleaned it. So now I'm scraping it to see if there's any access. There's not. And next you had to screw this little thingy into the little suction cup thing that looks like a little spider. And then you inject your resin down through here. I've got it on my crack. I'm gonna get inside the car and make sure that I've got it right directly over the crack. All right, I believed I had it directly over the crack, but I'm a little off, so I'm going to move it. All right, and this is the little windshield repair kit that I picked up a little small one from Amazon. I think all in all, it cost me like 20 bucks, including shipping. It was the only thing I bought. So, you know, I had a little bit of shipping charges. But I'll link it in the description below when this video comes out. Alright, so I injected my resin. I laid my little thing over the top of it there. I have to come back out here in like 20 minutes and scrape off the residue. And hopefully it's fixed the windshield. If not, I'm out like 20 bucks trying to fix a chip in a windshield. And hopefully, if not anything else, at least it'll slow it down from cracking and keep me around to replace it. But that's all for this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Alright, so I can still see the crack from the inside of the car. I don't know if that means that, I don't know if it's peeled or not. I let it cure, scraped off the excess. I guess we just have to wait and see.